Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. If you like wine, you like mead, you like cider, and you want to learn how to make it at home, this is the place for you. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and a bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new wine and a new video. Today we're going to be making a wine that was suggested by a subscriber. Today we'll be making a watermelon wine. And if you want to suggest anything that you would like to see me make, you can leave a comment. You can leave a comment to tell me what you're making currently. Or you could join my Facebook group and you can ask me to make certain things, show you how to make certain things. There'll be a link in the description below. So let's go over what you'll need to make this watermelon wine. Okay, we'll go over what you'll need today to make this watermelon wine. First off, the most important part is the juice of one large watermelon. I bought a large watermelon, diced it up, got just the pulp, diced it up, put it in a blender, pureed it, stuck it in the freezer, let it freeze. And what that does, that ruptures the cell walls when you let the fruit freeze and thaw out. It ruptures the cell wall and lets the juice, you get more flavor and more juice out of your pulp. So I diced it, pureed it, put it in the freezer, got it out of the freezer to let it thaw, and collected its juice. And I put a little bit of water in there too. It didn't quite make high as I want, so you can just fill the rest up with water. Then we got 3 cups of sugar. Of course, you need a funnel, airlock and bung, 1 teaspoon of acid blend, and that's just to give it a little bit of oomph. And today we'll be using a pack of Red Star Primere Cuvée. Red Star Primere Cuvée, so let's get started. First off, we want to get the sugar into our fermenter. So this is where your little funnel comes in handy. So basically just dump it in. Once you get the juice of your watermelon, it's basically dump it and forget it kind of deal. Woo, I judged that just right. Whoop, there's a little bit too much. Oh, that was almost a failure. So before you add the sugar, you want it probably slightly below the top of where it starts curving in. So this is almost right up to the top. So I may have to pour a little bit of this out. But so after the 3 cups of sugar displaces the liquid, that's when it rose up. So make sure you don't get past where it starts to narrow. All right. So on to the next step. The next step is to add a teaspoon of acid blend. Like I said earlier, this is just to give it a little bit of oomph to it. So you want to bump up the acid content to give it a little flavor. Get the pH up. Well, down in that case. When you're talking about acids, you go down. Now this is, we're going to shake it up. This is why you keep your tops when you get your jug wine. So it'll help with shake it up. Shaking it up does 2 things. It will incorporate all the solids and it'll get a little bit of air in there. And it's a workout too. The winemaking workout brought to you by Chris. Let's get to it. This looks good and smells good already. I wish you two would hurry up on that smell-o-vision. All right. On to the next step. On to the next and final step. Adding your yeast. You can add it. You can create a yeast starter. I just usually pitched mine straight in. Give it a little swirl. Don't shake it, just give it a little swirl. Add your airlock, and we're done. I'm going to get a gravity reading so we'll know how much alcohol by volume that this has. So I'm not going to do that on camera because it's a little boring. You're just trying to get the juice in the test tube and spinning the little thing. But so we're going to take a starting gravity, and that should be done. We'll be back to wrap things up. Fermentation should start in the next day or two and last about 7 to 10 days. But that's why you take that original gravity, and after say 2 weeks, test it. Then a week after that, test it again with your hydrometer. And if the readings are the same 2 consecutive weeks, it's done. And you can rack it off into a secondary if you like. And wait till it clears, and we'll bottle it. So, the aging process is what really probably would take maybe up to a year. So, because I'm not going to use any clearing agents, I want to do it all natural. So we'll let nature take its course. Then you can start seeing it slowly clear from top to the bottom. So, and then we'll bottle it. Then it's enjoyment time. So if you like what you see here, there'll be a playlist, and you could keep watching and learn how to make other wines. Also, if you want to help support my channel, there'll be links in the description below, Amazon affiliate links, where you can purchase any of the ingredients I used today. Even if you don't need the ingredients, if you click my links and go about your average Amazon shopping, you will help support this channel. So this is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today.